Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where guys the relay for the PCM, also known as ECU or ECM engine computer guys, is located. This is Powertrain PCM relay under different names. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses relays from, that way you don't waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here we're going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 guys where the PCM relay is located. Well, you guys have actually 2 fuse boxes. We'll need to guys open just one of them that's under the hood, and if you guys pay attention right here, right behind that car battery, you have a fuse cover right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. That's the fuse cover. If you open that fuse cover, you will see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. Before we continue, let's explain guys why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the PCM relay, before we continue, you guys have different kinds of relays, fuses that could be really expensive, overpriced, or hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spares from. If you need to check it out, you can get them at a really good price. The PCM relay will be guys in that relay panel right here, and if you come on the right row, that second relay, the middle one right here, that's for the PCM engine computer powertrain relay right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.